Liver and pancreas. Examination questions. Location of liver and pancreas. These glands release their secret through the main ducts into the duodenum. Liver located right side in abdomen cavity. Pancreas could not be visible because it's located under the stomach. Liver carry out many functions: synthetic, synthesis of glycogen, proteins for blood, bile, protecting and antitoxic, store of lipid-soluble vitamins, hematopoiesis in embryogenesis. Liver, the biggest gland in the body. Its weight about 1.5 kilograms. Its parenchymal organ consists of stroma and parenchyma. Stroma